Alright, so in this video, we're going over for loops. So a for loop is basically just simply used to repeatedly run the same code some number of times. So one of the most useful things you can do with for loops is that you can go through, or also known as looping through, a list. So I have this file called forloops.py that I've made, and to go through a list, all you have to do is, so if I make some example list, and I set it to have some items, so like hello, and then 12, true, bye, and false. Oops, I accidentally typed out my thoughts. So and false, and then if I say for x in example underscore list, then I'm going to print x. So before we see how this works, let's just run this really quick. So so you can see that it's printing every single item in the list. Anyways, this is just simply going through the list and doing something for every single value in that list. And you don't just have to stick to printing every value in the list though. You can do other things, such as maybe removing every value that's equal to a in the list, or doing something else like that. Basically, what's happening here is that, see this variable x? It's going to be constantly assigned to it's going to be assigned to each value in this list. So first, the value of x is going to be hello. And then, so x is going to be equal to hello. So then when you print the value of x, it's just going to be, it's printing hello, because x is equal to hello. And then it runs that again, and now x is equal to 12. And now it's going to say, okay, x is now equal to 12, so let's print x. So, and since x is 12, now it prints 12. And that's why, and it just does that for every single value in the list. That's what this x in example underscore list means. It's saying that for every value in this, we're going to be constantly saying that x is equal to that value, and we're going to be doing whatever code we have over inside of this indented code over here. So that's why, if you can see, when I run this code, then it's printing hello, then it's printing 12, then true, then bye, then false. Because first x is equal to hello, so you're printing the hello, then x is equal to 12, then true, and it's doing that for every single item in the list.